आज हम लोग हनी ड्यू इंग्लिश बुक बिहार बोर्ड क्लास 8 लेसन 1 द बेस्ट क्रिसमस प्रेजेंट इन द वर्ल्ड के अंग्रेजी के शब्दों को हिंदी उच्चारण में पढ़ेंगे, जिसके द्वारा हम आसानी से अंग्रेजी पढ़ना सीख सकते हैं। जिसके अंतर्गत हम लोग आज पेज नंबर 13 और 14 का रीडिंग करेंगे। डियर स्टूडेंट, हमारे चैनल पर आपको क्लास 3 से लेकर 12 तक के इंग्लिश बुक के स्टोरी और पोयम को आप हिंदी उच्चारण में पढ़ सकते हैं, जिसके द्वारा आप आसानी से अंग्रेजी पढ़ना सीख सकते हैं। आज हम लोग पेज नंबर 13 और 14 का रीडिंग करेंगे। पेज नंबर 13। Connie Freeze won 2-1, but as Heinz Wolf generally said, our goal was wider than theirs, so it wasn't quite fair. The time came, and all too soon, when the game was finished, snaps and the rum and sausage had long since run out, and we know it was all over. I wished Hans well and told him I hoped he would see his family again soon, that the fighting would end and we could all go home. I think that is what every soldier on both sides. Hans Wolf said, take care, Jim McPherson. I shall never forget this moment, nor you. He saluted and walked away from me slowly. Unwillingly, I felt he turned to wave just once and then became one of the hundreds of grey-coated men drifting back towards their trenches that night. Back in our dugouts, we heard them singing a carol. It quite beautifully. It was still knocked our boys, gave them a rousing chorus of white safer watched. We exchanged carols for a while, and then we all fell silent. We had our time of peace and goodwill, a time I will treasure as long as आई लिव। इसी के साथ पेज नंबर 13 का रीडिंग समाप्त हुआ। अब हम लोग पेज नंबर 14 का रीडिंग करेंगे। डियरेस्ट कोनी, बाई क्रिसमस टाइम नेक्स्ट ईयर दिस was will be nothing but a distract and terrible memory. I know from all that happened today how much both armies long for peace. We shall be together again soon. I'm sure of it. Your loving Jim. I folded the letter again and slipped it carefully back into its envelope. I kept awake all night. By morning, I knew what I had to do. I drove into Bridport, just a few miles away. I asked a boy walking his dog where Copper Beaches was. House number 12 turned out to be nothing but a burned out shell, the roof gaping, the window boarded up. I knocked at the house next door and asked if anyone know the where aboards where यहाँ पर गलत लिखा गया है हिंदी अंग्रेजी का। मैं इसे सुधारने का प्रयास करता हूँ। where वेयर अबाउट्स यहाँ पर पढ़ेंगे, गलती से हमने यहाँ पर वेयर बोट्स लिख दिया था। ऑफ ए मिसेज मैकफर्सन, ओ यस सेड दी old man in his slippers. He knew her well. A lovely old lady, he told me, a bit muddle headed, but at her age she was entitled to be, wasn't she? 101 year old. She had been in the houses when it caught fire. No one really knew how the fire had started, but it could well have been candles. She used candles rather than electricity because she always thought electricity was too expensive. Because she always thought electricity was too expensive, the fireman had got her out just in time. She was in a nursing home now, he told me. Burlington House on the Dorchester Road, on the अदर साइड ऑफ टाउन। इसी के साथ पेज नंबर 14 का रीडिंग समाप्त हुआ। अगर आपको वीडियो अच्छा लगा तो लाइक और सब्सक्राइब करें और दूसरे अन्य विद्यार्थी को भी इस चैनल के बारे में बताएं। बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद।